What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video I'm going to show you voice recorder apps for Android. So let's start. So the first and foremost tool is Easy Voice Recorder. This video recorder is your everyday companion to record meetings, important notes, classes, and songs without any time limit. For students, you can record classes and lectures clearly and in a good quality. And for business owners, you can capture interview, meetings, etc. for your future use. The next recorder in this list is Voice Recorder by Smart Movie Tools. It is known for its professional and easy to use interface. It is good for recording conversations, voice memos, podcasts, and many more in high quality. It is designed especially for journalists and musicians, and it also includes the feature of group recording where you can categorize the sounds according to your needs, and this application also supports wireless transfer. Now, the last but not the least recorder, voice recorder by Quality Apps. Now, this app is used for recording lectures, personal notes, and meetings. It is best app for businesses and students. It supports various file formats, so you can store your audio in different types of file formats, and it has a clean interface for ease of use. So, this was all for this video. Thank you for watching.